Here's another great question from Quora. How many times can a trademark be renewed if it's being actively used? My name is Andrei Mincov. I'm the founder of Trademark Factory, and here's my answer to this question. Well, first of all, great way to ask a question because it's a very important qualification that a trademark is still being actively used. And with that qualification, the answer is very simple. You can renew your trademark as many times as you want. Every 10 years, you go and renew, and then another time, and then another time, and then another time, and then another time, for as long as you need. The example that I always use is Coca-Cola. They've been renewing their trademark that they filed in 1892, and they're probably going to be renewing that trademark many, many decades in the future as well. So if you've built a brand that's still in use, that's still valuable, you can renew it forever. Hope this answers your question. And if you've got a question that you wanted to ask me, whether it's about trademarks or about brands, about entrepreneurship, post your comment below. I will be happy to shoot a video to answer your question. And until then, I will see you in the next video.